Hey, Cloud, you look ready to continue learning more about snow. Do you remember your three interesting facts that you learned from yesterday's read aloud? All right, what's one of them? That's right. Snow begins with a tiny speck, so small that you can't even see it. Yeah, these specks can come from all sorts of places. Salt from the ocean, a little tiny speck of pollen, a little bit of bacteria from a leaf, a particle of soil, even ash from a volcano. That's right. Your third interesting fact is that a speck, under the right circumstances, um, can attach water vapor to it and then start to begin to grow an actual snow crystal. Let's continue reading, first graders. It's a long read aloud, so I'm only going to read a few more pages, and I want you to focus again on three facts that are interesting to you during my read aloud. You ready? Ready. Woohoo, magic. Camera. Flip. Here's our, I think I left off with on this page, right? You remember the speck with the water vapor growing into an actual snow crystal. Ooh, these look like magnified pictures of actual snow crystals. Oh, this is so cool. This is the actual size here, and this is a magnified picture of the actual single snow crystal. Nice. These photographs of real snow crystals are shown much larger than their actual size. The crystals were collected during many different snowfalls. Oh, they're beautiful. A snow crystal forms as it falls. As the snow crystal gets bigger and heavier, it starts to fall to Earth. It keeps growing as it falls through its cloud, taking on its own special shape. The shape depends on how wet the cloud is and how cold it is. A snow crystal can start to grow one way, but then grow another way when it passes through a wetter or colder part of its cloud. The crystal stops growing soon after falling below the clouds. Wow, that is so interesting. I had no idea. Ooh. Parts of a snow crystal can break during the fall to Earth, causing the arms to look different. So amazing. Snow crystals can be stars. One common snow crystal shape is the star. Star shaped snow crystals usually have 6 arms reaching out from a center point. Oh, I guess the speck is somewhere in the middle. They all have 6 arms. Let's double check. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Nice. Star-shaped snow crystals usually have 6 arms reaching out from a center point. The center point is the home of the speck that started the crystal. The 6 arms look alike, but they are almost never exactly alike. Wow, that is so interesting. I had no idea. Wow, it's amazing. Star-shaped snow crystals are called dendrites, which means tree-like. Oh, they do look like branches of a tree. That's so cool. They form when a cloud is full of moisture and when the temperature hovers around 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my goodness, that is really cold. 5 degrees. My goodness. Oh, wow. This one looks like a hexagon, doesn't it? Oh, it also has six sides. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, and it has branches in the middle. One, two, three, four, five, six. Here's that number six again. This is the simplest kind of plate crystal, a hexagon. Plates form when there's not enough moisture in the cloud for stars to form, and when the temperature conditions are a few degrees warmer or colder than the temperature range that stars require. Interesting. So the temperature can affect the shapes of the snow crystals. Had no idea. Snow crystals can be plates. Plate crystals are like star crystals, but they don't have arms. The simplest kind of plate is a hexagon with six straight sides. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, look, and that's the actual size. Oh my goodness, it's so tiny. Ooh. More complicated plates have points where arms almost grew. Simple plate crystals are much smaller than stars. Oh, they are. Let me compare. Oh, okay. It is a lot smaller. These are the star ones. Oh my goodness, it's super tiny. That's the plate one. Simple plate crystals are much smaller than stars. They can be as wide as 1 millimeter, but they're usually a lot smaller. It's super tiny. The points on this plate crystal are the beginnings of arms that were just starting to develop when the crystal fell out of its cloud and stopped growing. Oh, I can see like the arms were about to grow right here. One, two, three, four, five, six. We have six again. Ooh, I'm going to read one more page. Look at this. Ooh, let's look at the picture first. Well, this is amazing. Whoa, what kind of shape is this? Never seen anything like this. Oh my goodness. Actual size, I can't even see the little crystal. It's like crazy tiny. What? These are column crystals are very tiny, usually no longer than half a millimeter. Oh my goodness, I can't even imagine. Snow crystals can also be columns. Oh, so that's what this is. It's a column. That's amazing. Column-shaped snow crystals are shaped like pencils. They're not flat like stars or plates. Columns can form high in the clouds and at very cold temperatures. They are very tiny, and when they fall, they make for very slippery snow. Oh, no wonder why sometimes snow can be really slippery. A column has six sides. Oh, there's that number six again. One, two, three, four, five, six. These are the three types. Solid column. These are the smallest type of column. Hollow column. These are longer and more common than solid columns. Capped columns. The caps on each end of these columns can be plate crystals or star crystals. My goodness, who would have thought that snow could be so complicated, so complex? No idea. Capped columns like this one develop when a column crystal moves into a part of its cloud where the temperature is right for plates or stars to grow at the ends. The two end caps can grow to different sizes, as you can see here. Oh my goodness, there were so many interesting facts. I don't even know if I can only choose three. First graders, think back. Choose three interesting facts that I read from this particular read aloud, and you're going to go ahead and draw them in your booklet and write a sentence for each of those interesting facts and be ready to share out tomorrow on Zoom. My goodness, amazing. Ciao, ciao, Bambini.